Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, well, there's a change in a decision that Microsoft has taken concerning Windows 11. So we told you that, first of all, this week is supposed to be the week for the bug fixing updates. They were actually supposed to be released yesterday, the 27th, but have not come out yet, which makes you wonder what exactly is happening with the updates. Why aren't they being released yet? Did they find some bug that wasn't there? Need more testing? But one thing for sure is that 22H2 on Windows 11, if you were on that version, you were getting the last of the bug fixes for that version. And what's interesting is that they've decided to continue the bug fixing updates until June. So that means that the 2 updates a month will continue on Windows 11 22H2 until the last week of June when they get the bug fixing updates. And then you'll have only the security updates until October the 8th. And after that, of course, it's end of support for 22H2. So it's interesting. Why are they changing their minds? I don't really know. But they are going to continue the 2 updates a month on 22H2 for a few months more until the month of June. So this is going to be interesting, and I still wonder why. They say that, well, we've listened to what users have to say and so on, and for the quality of the product and so on. Yeah, I'm not sure. But anyways, that's the news. And of course, we're still waiting for these updates to appear. That should bring on 23H2 and on 24H2 the Moment 5 with the new features coming up, and especially they'll be there at Patch Tuesday of March next month. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.